So the primary article I used for this is called Brains and Sprains, the brain's role in non-contact anterior cruciate ligament injuries, or ACL injuries. So just a little background on ACL tears. So there is a short period of time when complex motor planning and sensory integration must accurately predict the impending joint stimuli right before the impact. And so errors in this judgment may cause momentary loss of situational awareness. And that's an issue because due to this error of judgment, action planning networks in our brains are disrupted, and this results in an uncertainty of the impact that is about to come to the knee joint. And with the loss of the neuromuscular control and the inability to regulate the knee joint, the stiffness stability of the joint diminishes. So in this article, it talks about injuries and how fast they occur and how we need to develop our cognitive thinking in order to react to that. So the fundamental neuropsychological characteristics are responsible for sensory integration, coordination, motor planning, and situational awareness. And all of this controls the joint stiffness. And Yasuda et al. Suggests that ACL tears in less than 70 milliseconds, but it takes 35 milliseconds to begin developing the muscle tension, and for cognitive acknowledgement of any coordination errors can take up to 500 milliseconds. So due to the high movement velocities require advanced cognitive planning through motor control. So this is in reference to playing a sport and how fast your brain has to react to the impending stimuli. So finally, in conclusion, small mental errors in judgment can result in severe injuries. And if the force is not fully anticipated, then the pre-programmed muscle contractions are insufficient for the stiffness levels that may be required. And in future studies, the neurophysiological characteristics in injuries prone as should be explored to help with the efficacy of rehabilitation and prevention. And this is the article.